clean up. Clean up, yeah. Clean it up. Well, sometimes when I'm playing, I make a big mess. And then when I'm done, it causes such a stress. I gotta clean up. Clean up. Clean up. Clean it up. What can be done when the toys pile up more and more? I had a lot of fun, but now it's a huge chore. Clean up. Clean up. Clean it up, yeah. Clean up. Clean it 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 up. Clean up. Clean up. Clean up. Clean it up. Can we just leave it here for somebody else to clean up?
I don't know. It doesn't seem very fair, does it?
Yeah, you're probably right. What do you want to do then?
Maybe put it under the bed or under the rug?
You know that Mom's gonna find that there. Let's just clean it up together.
Okay, let's get to it.
Clean up. Clean up. Clean up. Clean it up. If we do it together, we can get it done fast. And then we're ready for the next time. We wanna have a blast. So clean up. Clean up. Clean up. You gotta clean it up. Clean up. Clean up. Clean it up, yeah. You gotta clean it up. We did an amazing job cleaning up.
We are seriously awesome.
Look how awesome this is gonna look. Mom is not gonna be mad at all. She's not even gonna know we played with anything.
Not even.
You know what we should do now?
What?
We should go play with the blocks.
The blocks are the best.
I think so. Let's go do it.
Yeah.
Clean up.